For a fix and flip investor, your most valuable asset isn't your hammer or your spreadsheet. It's your capital and the speed at which you can deploy it. The financing you choose directly impacts your profit, your timeline, and your ability to scale. Today, we're cutting through the noise. This is a no-fluff breakdown of the two primary financing tools we provide for flippers in Michigan, the fix and flip loan and the bridge loan. We're going to cover what they are, how they work, and exactly when to use each one to maximize profitability. This is for active investors who make money by transforming properties. I'm Trevor Sines with Michigan Mortgage Solutions. Let's talk about the money. Let's start with our workhorse product for flippers, the fix and flip loan. This loan is engineered specifically for the buy and rehab model. It's a short-term, asset-based loan designed to cover the two biggest costs of your project, the purchase price and the renovation budget. In most cases, we can fund a significant portion of the purchase and up to 100% of the rehab costs. That means you keep more of your own cash available for the next deal. Speed is one of the biggest advantages. Our process is built to close quickly, which helps you win deals that traditional bank financing simply can't keep up with. Leverage is another key benefit. By financing the rehab, we reduce the amount of cash you have tied up in a single project. These loans also feature interest-only payments during the 6 to 12-month term. That keeps your monthly holding costs lower while you're focused on getting the renovation completed and the property back on the market. For the majority of standard fix and flip projects, this is the ideal solution. It's streamlined, efficient, and purpose-built for renovations. Now let's talk about the bridge loan. If the fix and flip loan is the workhorse, the bridge loan is your special operations tool. It's designed for unique, time-sensitive situations where flexibility matters more than anything else. One common use is auction purchases. When you need to close in days, not weeks, a bridge loan gives you the speed to compete with cash buyers. Another use is quickly accessing equity. If you own a property free and clear or have significant equity, a bridge loan allows you to pull cash out fast to secure a new opportunity. Bridge loans are also ideal for complex or non-standard deals. Properties with mixed-use zoning, unusual timelines, or situations that require a clean, non-contingent offer are often a better fit for this type of financing. While the fix and flip loan is structured around the renovation process, the bridge loan is all about speed and flexibility. It bridges a gap and gives you the power of a cash-like offer in competitive markets. Let's look at how this plays out in real-world scenarios. In the first scenario, you find a standard flip on a 1980s ranch in Livonia that's structurally sound but needs a full cosmetic update. You have a clear renovation scope and a 6-month timeline. In this case, the fix and flip loan is the perfect fit. It combines purchase and rehab financing into one efficient package. In the second scenario, a great property hits the auction block with a 10-day closing timeline and a 72-hour cash requirement. There's no time to finalize a rehab budget. This is where the bridge loan shines. It secures the property first, giving you the time and flexibility to plan the renovation or transition into another financing option later. The key is matching the financing tool to the situation. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. At Michigan Mortgage Solutions, we analyze the deal and your goals to recommend the option that gives you the highest chance of success and the strongest return. As a fix and flip investor in Michigan, your success depends on having the right capital partner. Your financing shouldn't slow you down. It should give you an edge. At Michigan Mortgage Solutions, we provide fast, flexible, and reliable capital for flippers. Whether you're running a standard renovation with a fix and flip loan or closing a time-sensitive deal with a bridge loan, we have the tools to support your growth. If you're an active flipper and you're ready for a financing partner who understands your business, let's talk. Call us at 248-963-1894 or visit MichiganMortgageSolutions.com to schedule a free property consultation. Stop letting financing hold you back. I'm Trevor Sines with Michigan Mortgage Solutions. Let's fund your next flip.